Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Doorway YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add the Google Tag Manager snippet on your website. So please watch this video till the end. So let's get started. Let's understand what Google Tag Manager is. So Google Tag Manager is a free tool that allows you to manage and deploy marketing tags, which are snippets of code or tracking pixels on your website or mobile app without having to modify the code. So Google Tag Manager, it's a free snippet which you have to install or add to your website, and that's the only snippet of code which you can add to your website, because all the other codes like the Facebook code, the Twitter code, Google Analytics, Google AdWords, any CRM that you're using or any other third-party tool snippet codes can be added directly into Google Tag Manager. So you don't need a developer to add these code. So that's the beauty of it. Because Google Tag Manager is a very straightforward tool, and it allows non-developers or people with no experience in coding and those kind of things to directly add these codes. Previously you needed to have a developer who could add these codes, but now, especially with WordPress websites, you don't need a developer and you can directly use the Google Tag Manager tool to add it. Alright, so I'm starting this series of Google Tag Manager, how you can add these. So I'm getting started with this video. So let me take you there. Look, there are 2-3 ways on how you can install Google Tag Manager code in your website. I'm just going to show you a couple of ways, because more ways could be a little bit overwhelming and you could get confused, right? So my website is a WordPress website built on Divi theme. So I'm just going to go into Tag Manager over here. I'm going to sign into Tag Manager, right? So I've already set up my account in Google Tag Manager. So as you can see, this is the website, and it's pretty simple. You just need to click on create account, add your account name, right, your country, your container name, which is your website, right, and you need to select web, right, and you need to create. When you do that, you will be shown this this one over here, right? You'll be first shown disclaimer, and you just have to accept it, and it's pretty straightforward and how you can do it, right? So then your accounts get set up. Just click over here, and this is the dashboard of the Google Tag Manager, right? In here we'll be adding, in future videos I'll show you how you can add tags and triggers, right? But in this video I'm just going to go ahead over here, and I'm going to go to install Google Tag Manager. So you'll see 2 of these codes over here, right? This is paste this code in the head as of the page. So this is the header code, and this second snippet is paste this code immediately after the opening body tag, right? So immediately after this code comes this code. There is no footer code. There's no code that is for the footer, right? So this is the header. This is after the opening body tag. Now just coming back to WordPress. Now like I told you before, there are a couple of ways which I will show you. The first way is, since I'm using Divi theme, I'll go over here to Divi, and I will click on theme options, right? And in this page I will go to integration, and as you can see, it shows over here add code to the head of your blog. So I'll come over here. I'm going to close this. This is the head. I'm going to copy this, come back, paste this here, right? The second one is add code to the body, right? I'm going to come back here. This is the paste the code after the opening body tag. I'm going to click here, copy it, I'm going to come inside, paste it here, right? Now there are a couple of more codes. This is to the top of the post, and this is to the footer, which is the bottom of the post, right? But here the instructions are very straightforward. It says to the head and after the head tag. I'm going to come back and save these. Okay. Just making sure it is saved. Yes, so it's saved. Now this was the first way of doing it. there's another way using a plugin, right? I'm going to go to add new. Now there's a plugin called post injections. You just type over here post injection. Oops. Okay, so this is the one, head, footer and post injections. 200,000 active installations, compatible with your version. So I've already installed and activated this. So I'm just going to go to install plugins. So all you need to do is so here it is. Now you need to come to settings over here, and under settings you'll find the header and footer, right, which is this one, header and footer. Just come over here and you will see that you have this head and after the body tag. So head and after the body tag. All you need to do is just copy this again. So if you have done the first way, or you have already installed the code, you don't need to do this twice, right? I'm just showing you another way of how you can do it. That was in the Divi theme. If you're using any other theme, that option might not be there, right? So if that option is not there, then you'll have to copy the header over here and then come back, and after the body tag this is for desktop and this is for mobile. Okay, so you need to copy paste here and here, right? So this is only on the home page, so you obviously would want all your pages of your website to be tracked, right? Not for the home page only, so on every page. So again, I'm just repeating, do not do this second way. Do not use this plugin if you've already used the first way, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and discard this for now. Okay, so these were the two ways through which you can install the Google Tag Manager code, and in this Google Tag Manager code you can install more tags and triggers. Now as you can see, I don't have any tag. I just have put Google Analytics and HubSpot tag over here, right? So I will show you in the future videos how you can add the tags and the triggers associated, right? So that was all for now.